right. Everybody, we're gonna take one step at a time on my count. 1. Step up. To the left. 2. 3. Slow down. We're not in a rush. 4. 5. 6. Stop. Okay. Richard? Yeah. I'll keep on Richard.
Is the bucket tilted or straight?
Keep going. Coach, do I have to drop protection? No, you're great. You're great.
I feel slack in my rope.
You're okay, Holly.
You're good.
Good question though, Holly. Checking in.
Buddy on the other side.
I think what's important, Holly, is there's 6 of us. So you may not feel anything. Somebody else might have a little more, but if it's all level.
Waited.
Right.
Okay.
Sometimes I feel it, sometimes I don't.
And have him come back as well.
Pull it back.
Okay. All right. You guys ready? Keep walking in that same step very slowly. The bucket is tilted, so we're trying to get our prize as well. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow. Okay, so John, you guys are doing great. What I need for you guys to do right now is to lift your ropes up a little bit higher. A little higher. A little bit higher. Rick, you as well. Higher. Rick, a little bit higher for me. Okay, great. No, you're great. Richard, you're great. Okay. All right, so everybody again, we're going to keep walking that same direction on my count as when your direction that your leader is telling you to walk, okay? 1. Listen to your leaders. 2, 3, 4. Stop. Rick and Holly, can I get you guys to go a little bit higher, please, with your ropes? All right, great. All right, on my count, we're going to start walking again.
Shuffle sideways to the right.
1, 2, 3, stop. Okay, so now we're going to be changing directions. Your life coach is going to tell you which direction to walk, okay? On my count, you guys tell me which direction.
Which way are we going?
Forward. You guys ready? All right, 1, 2, stop.
Maintain attention.
Yep, so what we're going to do now is start going down again slowly. We got the bucket in the right position, but we need to start dropping it down a hair, okay? So on my count, we're going to start going down on those 2-inch marks.
The rope.
With the rope, correct. Rick and Holly, you guys can come first since you guys are the highest.
So as everybody know, we're outside the circle, right?
Yeah.
So the goal right now is just to set it down.
Just to set it down. Okay. That's correct. Yeah. That's a good point, John. Thank you.
The bank has asked me to remove the tool from the bucket once we get the bucket in the circle. Okay. The bank charges the service fee. That's how
We'll just pay for it.
Take that over a bonus.
All right. So again, we about to start going down. Everybody as a group on my count. You guys ready? 2 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. So now what I need to do is Paul and Rick, I need for you guys to take a couple steps back, and you guys on this side, Richard, Holly, and Paul.
That's Richard.
Well, that's actually perfect. You guys did a great job. All right, we're going to count down again. You guys ready?
Oh, who?
Everybody. Everybody's going down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Unbelievable.
Yep, there you go. Right, keep going.
Pull a little bit.
Somebody's pulling.
Okay. Down. Everybody's going down. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Sit there.
Good job.
Hold attention. Don't
Everybody stop. So now what we need to do, we got a great win, but we still need to remove the tool from the bucket, okay?
Mike.
What tool's in the bucket?
We need to remove the rubber band, okay? So again, what we're going to start doing, everybody, we need to count the rock climbing technique again. On my count, free hand go first, okay? 1, up, stop.
Holly needs to come down.
Mike.
I think they're supposed to.
Oh, okay.
Here, let them out, Paul.
Hold on 1 second. All right, on my count, we're going to start pulling.
Don't pull, Paul.
Pull.
Wait, stop. Nobody's pulling right now.
Right. But we should pull slowly, not yank, right?
Right. Everything here is very slow. One team, one unit. Ready to go? All right, everybody count. One pull.
One pull.
Two pull. Stop.
Bob needs a ball.
Bob, can you pull a little bit harder, please? All right. One more
Pull a
pull.
little bit, Paul.
All right, everybody stand up. Everybody stand up slowly, please.
Slowly stand up.
Slowly. And remove your blindfolds and celebrate your win. Good job.
What do you think?
Wow, lovely. Looks easy now that you can see it.
So what we're doing, rubber band here.
Yeah, we got it around. The first time we got too high and it slipped off. So we had to go back down and got real low and it came right up. Good job.
Oh, that's a good leader.
Good.
So first I'd like to hear from the workers, what your day at work was like. Blindfolded folks. Feedback for
I didn't
feedback
get a
for the
break.
management.
I didn't get a break.
Any constructive feedback for the management.
I think at first we were sitting in the dark and we were actually starting negative talking, over there because we were waiting for so long. And,
Why are we blindfolded?
yeah, we're like, what are we doing? And then as we, as we went on, we started to get direction and stuff.